This is the basic setup of tonight's homework. It's just that truncated cylinder and then the plan. The first thing you need to do is divide the plan up using the 60-30 set square into 12 equal parts. Just done that now, and then numbered each one from 1 around to 12. The next thing we need to do is extend that XY line right the way out here and transfer those distances up onto the XY line. So just transfer them up here, taking the distances right the way across from 1 up to 12, and don't forget 1 again. So each of those distances equates to one of these. So the distance, for example, here from 1 to 2 is obviously that distance there from 1 to 2. You then take each of these points right up into elevation until it cuts that sloping line. And then where it cuts the sloping line, take it across to the corresponding line over here in the development. So for example, point number 2 is taken up here into elevation. It cuts the sloping line here, and we're just going to bring it across until it cuts, you can see, line number 2, so it's going to cut it about there someplace. And you do that with each individual line right the way across, and you're going to get a nice curved line here, which, when you fold this all up, it will form that truncated cylinder. So I've now found this locus of points right the way across, and I've simply found them by taking lines from the elevation over to cut the corresponding line. For example, there, point number 7 cuts it here at the lowest point, and we just take that across to point number 7 there, and every other point is found in exactly the same way. So your answer should look something like that. And don't forget that underneath either line 6 or line 7 you should put in the base again. And that's what your homework should look like.